Tax filing deadline is Wednesday, and if you're licking your chops over getting that refund, heads up, an identity thief may beat you to it. It's a growing trick for thieves, doctoring up fake returns in your name and cashing it in, costing Americans $5 billion in stolen refunds last year alone.
The only information that a thief needs to steal your identity for tax fraud is your full name, your social security number, and your date of birth. So it's not very difficult.
Then they cook up bogus returns and hope to file before you do.
Thieves are, generally speaking, pretty clever, and they know that most people wait till the last minute to do their taxes. So if they get all of this information and send out, do your taxes for you, as it were, and create this profile and send it out in December, the likelihood is that you haven't done it.
The UT Center for Identity monitors this sort of thing, and tax return fraud is a growing scam, nearly doubling every year. They may steal your identity through your computer, your mail, your garbage, over the phone. And they don't need your tax info, they make that up.
You're receiving a lot of sensitive information from banks, from the IRS, from your mortgage lender, car payments, and so identity thieves frequently make rounds of neighborhoods. They will sort of stake them out, find where the vulnerabilities are, and steal mail.
So protect your information, shred documents, don't give out your social security number, periodically check your accounts and credit rating, and watch what you say on the phone.
A lot of cases it's not online, it's not a hacker, it's somebody on the other end of the telephone that's calling you in what we call a phishing scam and trying to get your information, claiming to be the IRS. And again, the IRS will never call you.
The IRS is too undermanned and overwhelmed to check fake returns. And if thieves beat you to your refund, it could take a year or more to get the IRS to pay you what you have coming. Taking a closer look at the growing phenomenon of tax refund fraud, 1 in 20 Americans will be victims of identity theft, and this is one of the hot new techniques. It's estimated the frauds will cost the IRS $21 billion over the next 5 years. Last year, the IRS launched 1,500 investigations into this, but that's just a drop in the bucket. Your best bet to file as early as possible, and remember, the IRS will not email or phone you. If someone tries to get your information using that ruse, you should smell a rat. Call me up and say you're the IRS, I'm hanging up.